guys, it's... Oh my god. Hey guys, it's Lexy and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be throwing it back to old school YouTube. Let me know if you guys have been with me that long or you just remember that era and have been watching YouTube for that long. Let me know in the comments. I have been watching YouTube forever and making videos for a good amount of time. Today's video is going to be a how to clean your makeup brushes, tips and tricks and just kind of hacks that I use to clean my makeup brushes. If you guys like that video and want to see more, click that subscribe button down below and click that notification bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I post new videos. And give me a thumbs up if you want more throwback YouTube videos, and comment down below any ideas of old school YouTube videos you guys would want to see. Check out all of my social media linked down below in the description, and let's get into the video. Make sure to stay till the end of the video so you can learn all of my tips and tricks to clean your makeup brushes more effectively without a makeup brush cleaner. That's right guys, without a makeup brush cleaner. Let's go. Alright, so the main thing I do is I use either an old cleanser or a little bit of a cleanser that I'm currently using, like a face cleanser. Before that, I use a tiny bit of coconut oil just to help melt the makeup off the makeup brush, and I think it really helps clean it very effectively. Then I swirl it around in the palm of my hand, and when the water and the soap comes out looking white, that is when the brush is 100% clean. Then I set it aside and clean all the rest of them, and then once I'm done cleaning every single brush that I have to clean, I dry it off with a towel, and then I set it off to the side to dry. Okay, so to wash my makeup brushes, I first will dip them into some coconut oil. And then I take a cleanser, like any facial cleanser, and just wash my makeup brushes. Since this one's pretty old, I'm gonna cut it off the top so I can get the stuff under it.
Take a seat, right over there, sat on the stairs, stay or leave. The cabinets are bare.
Alright, so as I explained in the intro, I take some coconut oil, warm it up in my hands, and then stick the makeup brush into it, and then I clean it with the facial cleanser.
So pull me closer, why don't you pull me?
I use my hands instead of a glove because it's just a lot faster and I think it cleans it a lot better. You can really tell with this brush because the top is white and it goes a lot faster than I feel like you would use a tool to clean the makeup brushes. So just use your hands because the grooves in your palm and your fingers act as like a glove kind of thing to really deep clean your makeup brushes, and I think it works really well. Here I'm just speed through cleaning all the rest of my makeup brushes since I had a lot of makeup brushes to clean. As you can tell, the makeup is a little unusual, so if you haven't watched that video, I'll link it down below. When I clean makeup brushes, I make kind of a little mess, so I have to clean the sink. Then I'm going to towel dry all of the brushes I just cleaned. I think it helps them dry a little bit faster. Alright guys, so that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and commenting down below. If you stayed till the end, subscribe. Click that notification bell. It's free. Why not? Check out all my social media linked in the description box. I also have a vlog channel, so if you want to see more videos, go check that out. The link is down below, and click subscribe and notification bell for that channel. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Without using a brush cleaner, because I don't use a brush cleaner. Make sure to stay till the end of the video, Make sure to stay till the end of the video so you guys can learn all of the tips and tricks I use to clean my makeup brushes. And with that being said, alright guys, so that was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you did in the comments down below, and also let me know what else you would like to see. If you stayed till the end of this video, you should definitely subscribe and click the notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I post a video, and you stayed till the end, so that obviously means you liked it. I hope it did. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I think there's some lipstick on my fingers.